Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Patel. I am a fitness and health promotion student at a Georgian college, and as a part of my course I need to do 60 hours of placement at any healthcare system. After a lot of hard work, I got opportunity to work at these two wonderful places. It is Atrium Food Clinic and Body System Nutrition, both located at Kandals Road in Paddy. The good thing about my placement was I learned different things from both of the places because both of them is really different from each other, and I did 28 hours at the food clinic and just 32 hours at the body system nutrition. I acquired my placement by emailing different places my resume and cover letter. I also dropped my resume in personal, and at the end I got call from these two places and I went through a personal interview process, and then they hired me as a co-op student. I set up some SMART goals which I want to fulfill during the process of placement. My first goal was making myself fit because I thought that if I want to get a good co-op position, I need to make myself fit first. My second goal was acquiring knowledge about gym equipments, anatomy of foot, because my supervisor at the foot clinic was really particular about the basic knowledge. And the third thing was body's nutritional requirement. My third goal was establishing network, and there I want to improve my communication skills, meet new people, know their condition and their journey, and it can be really helpful for me in my career path in fitness world. I also want to master my skills about basic of macro and micronutrition, nutrition planning, popular diets, because I want to be a personal trainer in future. It can be helpful for me to suggest to my clients that what diet is useful for them and how does the nutrients useful for the body. My fifth goal was exploring new knowledge from placement sites. I learned how food deformities cause and how it can be prevented. I also saw the beautiful process of measuring the food with plaster cast and how does the transformation of food imprints to footwear occur, and which was really good. I also took feedback of some of the patients coming there, and how does the footwear is helping them with their deformities. I also learned things I don't know before, and which was client handling, how to handle a rush of people. Then I learned new marketing strategies, how to build good rapport with customers. Some knowledge about products I like personally at the Body System Nutrition was protein shake. There were a number of different flavors in protein shake, and the protein shakes were really healthy, having low fat, high proteins, and which can be a good alternative for a caloric ice cream. The second thing which was really popular during my placement hours was the essential stack. The first product in the essential stack was Vitality. Vitality is a really good source. It was packed with B12, and it is a really good source for using it as a pre-workout, then energy source, and it also help to release the fat which is deposited in the body as a natural energy source. The second product in essential stack was Roughage. It act as a it helped to improve the immune system. It was having a good fiber source, so uh, it helps with the bowel movement. So it was a really good product. And the third product was Omega. It helped to have a good hair, skin, and also helps in decreasing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. The body system was full of delicious products like cookies. We can enjoy cookies with the proteins. That was really cool things. And there were vitamin supplements which is really useful for getting uh, good vitamin sources from the capsules and help in weight loss. All the products there was really good. And the best thing I learned there was marketing strategies. Their marketing strategies were really good. They provide free samples, free protein shakes, before pre-workouts samples, and there was a grand sale, and I love how they promote their sales. My future recommendation to get placement at Body Nutrition is being fun, energetic, and passionate in fitness, and having good communication to work at this place. And for the food clinic, you should know the basic knowledge and of the body's anatomy and body's nutritional requirements. My question is to how to adapt different work environment, learn new things, and how to be helpful to people. Thank you. Dr. Neil Patel and staff, and Michelle and staff, they helped me a lot with my co-op position, and I learned a lot of new things at their place. So thank you so much for giving me opportunity to work at your place.